Hello. Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm here to show you how to edit and update the items in your cart. So once you have a few items in your cart, like we do here, you'll just click on the View Cart button up top. From here, you can see all the items in your cart. And let's say you want to delete an item, you can just click on this X button right here, and it'll give you a warning saying you're about to delete the item from your cart. Click on the OK button, and there you go. Now that item's not there anymore. Now, if you want to change the quantity of the item in your cart, let's say you want to buy 3 of these, you'll highlight the number here, type in a 3, click the update button. Now, if you're doing this for multiple items in your cart, you'll need to edit them both and then click on the update cart button at the bottom here. And that will update both items at once. And it can work for more than 2. But once that's looking good, you'll just be able to click checkout and continue on with the rest of your purchase. Hope this helps. You enjoy the rest of your day.